Hi all, yeah, quick video on how to fit the D-Reverse DeLorean reverse park sensor system from DeLoreanGo. So just a couple of videos. So this is the first piece. So this doesn't come with it, but basically you need a length of sort of a 20mm L-shaped plastic trim from some places such as like DIY stores. I happen to have this piece left over from doing the conservatory. So yeah, piece here, cut it to, as per instructions, to 1480mm, and then underneath there is obviously this sort of wood effect, and this basically is a roll-on aerial of some type. As you can see here, here's the end part. So all you do basically is you just bend it around carefully on here, sort of fold it around neatly underneath there, and then I basically put a bit of duct, as you can see, some duct tape on here to reinforce it per the instructions. Then you just roll the aerial on there. And again, this is the first sort of part. I haven't sort of checked yet if I need to cut this off, but probably need to. And then you remove the lights there. So I've got LED bulbs and some of those. And what this piece here does, it effectively feeds just down in here, and then it feeds along, and then it wedges basically in this position here. And obviously, as you can see, that's basically the right length for the car. So, and then we have to do the wiring. And so the kit comes with buzzer set here, obviously the aerial device on here, comprehensive colour instructions. So yeah, what I'll do now is so this is just an initial video just to sort of show you this first part. This part here will be hidden inside the car in a minute, and then I'll crack on with fitting the rest of it. But yeah, all looks really good so far. It's quality. Okay, here we go. Excellent. Let's carry on. Cheers.